What's up, everybody? Zach Walker, the Bearded Realtor here, checking in for another desk-bound edition of the You Fill in the Blank show. We still have not yet named it, but I put out a feeler. I said, what should I talk about on the next rant? And the biggest common denominator was open house. And so may I present to you my feelings on an open house. And so here's the God's honest truth. Open houses exist for one reason and one reason only. They build momentum. What does that mean? It means that your house is not going to be sold from an open house. If it happens, great. That is a huge win. But in the last 12 months, Zillow says we've conducted at the Revolve Realty Group 115 transactions, give or take a few. And of those, one, and I repeat, one, have sold at an open house. So with a sample size of 115, which I feel like is a pretty solid sample, our open house sold percentage is 0.00869%. That's less than a tenth of a percent. So am I making it up? No, I don't think so. Here's what open houses exist to do. And they're not bad. Certainly they're not bad. They're great. We do them every Saturday and every Sunday for a reason. Why? Because of momentum. Again, and I go back to a recurring theme for us here at Revolve Realty, 87.5% of your houses are sold online because that's where they're sold. The sign in your yard means nothing. The sign online means everything. Right? And so open houses, because of the way the syndication works between Zillow, Realtor, Trulia.com, those digital signs mean everything. And so the online open house sign that happens is huge when it comes to someone who's looking at your house on Zillow or Realtor or Trulia, right? Because it means that now they know there's an open house, and they don't know the truth like you now do after I've told you. But at the end of the day, sure, they matter. They matter a lot to the internet. And so I just wanted to debunk another myth. I've been in the myth debunking mood lately. Doesn't make me popular, but it certainly makes me honest. And so at the end of the day, that's all I want to be. Is your local people's champ of a realtor, if you will, the bearded realtor all the time. Of course, you can't take that away from me no matter what you say. And ultimately, at the end of the day, the guy that doesn't really care about anything but his clients and educating a marketplace. I want you guys to have the facts when you make a decision, regardless of who you go with, so that when you go with somebody, you know that you've made the right decision. If you need anything from me, you know how to reach me. It's 256-BUY-SELL. That's 256-BUY-SELL. Love to help you anytime. Reach us online at beardedisbetter.net. As always, call me if you need anything, guys. Love you guys. Talk to you soon, all right? Thanks.